My name is Tanya Barnett, and I'm with the Reliance Group at Keller Williams, Southern Arizona. Here with me today is Vanessa Ford from the Humane Society of Southern Arizona. I wanted to meet with her today for a few minutes to find out some of the various ways we can all help out with the HSSA. I know that I personally have a lot of friends and clients that ask about helping, so I thought it would be nice to learn a little bit more about it. Vanessa, can you tell us some of the ways you can help?
Of course. Well, we can always use volunteers. Volunteers are one of the biggest parts of what we do. We have over 1,000 volunteers, but we always need more. And those volunteers can do lots of different things. They can come in and walk dogs in the morning, or they can jog with a dog. We have a program called Jog-a-Dog, which is a lot of fun for our higher active energy dogs. We have a cat socialization program, so people can come in the evenings and volunteer with our cats to help them find a new home because they know how to interact with people and other cats. That's always important.
That's great.
You can volunteer at events. You can volunteer at our thrift store. There are all kinds of ways to help. So if you want to give of your time, we absolutely would appreciate that.
That's great. And I definitely know I have some clients that would love to volunteer their time and do some dog walking. And what about different ways to donate and give back monetarily?
We have lots of different ways to donate. You can donate to you can be a member, a monthly member, and donate a monthly gift. You can donate to a specific program that's near and dear to your heart. So maybe it's the Second Chance Fund for animals who need some medical treatment to give them that second chance. Maybe you donate to our Trap, Neuter, Return, or our transportation programs, because we do go out into the community. That's why we're the Humane Society of Southern Arizona, right? We go out into this entire region and transfer in animals who otherwise wouldn't have that chance into our facility. So you can donate to the transfer fund as well. There are lots of different ways that you can donate.
That's great. And then something else that is very near and dear to my heart personally is fostering. So could you talk a little bit about fostering?
Absolutely. We have a great foster program. You need to go through some training with our foster volunteer office. But what happens is we send out a call every day because there's always an animal in need of fostering. And if that animal is a good fit for your home and you know that you want to open your home at that moment to that animal, you can say, yes, I want to bottle feed kittens for 6 weeks, or yes, I want to help that dog who has a medical need and can't be in the shelter for the next 2 months. I want to foster that animal. You can work with them. We have a program called the FAST program, so we take those foster animals who are ready to be adopted out into the public, and people advocate for them in the public, and oftentimes adoptions happen right at the dog park or right at the corner bar.
Oh,
it's great.
That's great. Is there any other programs that you wanted to talk about or ways to help you wanted to talk about?
Well, we do have several hundred events. We do about 175 events a year.
Wow.
So there's always something going on at the Humane Society. And it's maybe not at our shelter, it's maybe out in the community because we really are community involved. So it's maybe an event downtown or one of our annual events like Putting on the Dog or Sweat for Pets, which happen every year. It's always a good time because you can usually bring your dog to a Humane Society event. That's one of the things we're known for, is bringing your dog to an event. We even have sometimes some cats and some birds show up to events too.
Wow, that's
so
great.
if you want to come to an event, if you want to bring your animal, you can always do that.
That's great. That's great. And people can look on Facebook or your website if they want to see what events are upcoming.
Absolutely.
Great. And of course there is one other way to help the HSSA. I do have my Animal Lovers program in which I will donate $250 for anybody that works with me to buy or sell their property. I'll donate that $250 to the HSSA in your honor. Well, in closing, I just want to say thank you, Vanessa. Hopefully after this we get some more amazing volunteers, we get some great animals adopted, and we get some more donations to the shelter.
Thank you so much for having me.
And thank you guys for watching.